Bangungot para kay Hart Evangelista ang ginawang pagretoke sa kanyang lobby, ng isang nurse na walang lisensya. Ibinuking ito ng kapuso actress at fashion icon sa Instagram live session, kung saan tinawag niyang traumatic ang kanyang naging experience sa kamay ng naturang nurse. Napanood namin ang naturang IG video ni Hart sa TikTok ng isang nagngangalang pageant chika. Dito nga isinapubliko ng wifey ni Senador Cheese Escudero ang pagpapalagay niya ng lip fillers. Aniya, isang nurse na malapit daw sa kanya ang gumawa ng nasabing cosmetic procedure, ngunit ang naging problema ay wala raw itong license. I did get lip filler. I just didn't want to talk about it because I was super traumatized. Dagdag pa ni Hart, because when I got the lip filler, I went against Dr. Ivy. I didn't do it with her. I did it with somebody that was very very close to me, but he didn't have the license to do my lips. But I trusted him. Kumbaga, budol na budol ako, so ginawa ko yung lip filler, ang revelasyon ng kapuso star. Ang ending, hindi nagpantay ang kanyang mga lobby, kaya kinailangan niya itong ipatanggal sa ibang doktor. Hindi ko alam kung anong nilagay niya sa lips ko, but basically, uneven yung lips ko, and you guys were bashing me about it. I just didn't want to tell you. Of course, I went to the same person. He's not a doctor. I think he's a nurse. Same person because, of course they convinced me that they can fix it. It was super uneven, so that's why. Advice pa ni Hart Evangelista, never tayo magpapabudol ever again. Actually, technically, pwedeng makulong, kasi wala siyang lisensya, malpractice pa. Sobrang nagpasa-pasa. I had cane. I had ganyan and it was so bad. So anyway, I had a doctor really have to take it out and fix it, because it was really really bad, chika pa ng aktres. Pagpapatuloy ng kapuso actress, you know, when you trust, sometimes tanga, naniwala. So yun. I did my lips before. I just couldn't tell you about it because I was in denial for a time. I really thought that mahal ako ng taong yun, pero na-malpractice ako. So good luck. Mariin pang sabi ni Hart.